Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Nio Day and Nio stock news. Nio Day is a fast approaching catalyst, but depending on Nio's stock movement right now, it can help us prepare for either a spike or sell-off that we could see leading up to and or after Nio Day. Press the like button right now for more Nio stock videos, subscribe if you are new, comment down below your thoughts on Nio Day, and let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a brokerage where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies easily. Right now, if you make an account with Webull, they will give you 2 free stocks, each worth anywhere from $2 to $250. And if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit, you will get 2 more free stocks, each valued from $8 to $1,600. You are basically guaranteed to make $20 or more if you cash out immediately, or you could luck out and receive up to $3,200. Not to mention that you also have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google, Procter & Gamble, or Heinz. To get this amazing offer, just press the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer ends on New Year's. And with that being said, let's get into our first Nio stock article. Today, Nio stock has dropped almost 4% to a price of $44.40, which has been due to a loss of momentum in the prior trading weeks. However, Nio has a fast approaching catalyst which we all have heard about called Nio Day, where Nio gets to debut their new technology, products, and services, which will surely invoke investor excitement, which will be reflected later in the stock's price. On Nio Day, Nio is anticipated to launch 1 to 2 sedan models which will enter mass production in the 4th quarter of 2021, making this sedan its 4th mass-produced vehicle. Nio is also expected to announce their 150 kilowatt battery, which can be used in any of their vehicles that will give out a minimum of 900 kilometers or 560 miles of range. Nio will also release their innovative assistance platform named Nio Pilot 2.0, which is rumored to use LiDAR technology. And to add icing on the cake, Nio will also be announcing their 2nd generation battery swap stations. Currently, many investors anticipate Nio's stock price to run up before Nio Day, mainly because Nio has delivered more than 10,000 vehicles in 2 months, and Nio only needs to deliver slightly less than 7,000 more before the quarter ends for Nio to achieve their 4th quarter projection of 17,000 electric vehicles delivered, which would be very bullish on the stock price. Nio is on a good track right now, but let's go through some possible scenarios so you all can be prepared for what is possibly ahead. So let's go over to the charts. As you can see, Nio did extremely well in 2020 with their positive trends, but recently the stock has become choppy from hitting all-time highs. If this choppiness continues and the stock trades sideways, the Nio Day catalyst will cause it to break out in a positive direction upwards. Even if the stock continues to pull back, a Nio Day catalyst can still break the negative trend, causing the stock price to increase. However, if the stock rallies until Nio Day, then we could see a sell-off after Nio Day in the trading sessions following this event. Now, these are just the 3 of many scenarios that could occur, but all 3 of these preparations have been witnessed and documented after major stock catalysts, like Nio Days, Battery Days, product launches, and technology demonstrations. It is no secret that Wall Street is very bullish on electric vehicle stocks like Nio, Workhorse Group, and Tesla, but Nio has been trending down lately, which will provide us a great opportunity to buy more Nio stocks at a discount while also following the 3 scenarios that were mentioned previously. Consider this a simple pullback, correction, consolidation, a return to support, stock congestion, basing, or a pausing period. But nonetheless, this is good for Nio stock because it allows the stock to grow more in the future with minor setbacks instead of giant corrections at unpopular times. Plus, it allows the stock to test support lines so we as investors can get good deals on a good stock price. The electric vehicle wave is here. This is not a bubble, however it is inflated. Nio Nio has jumped from $3.83 and could end the year slightly shy of $50. Currently, Nio has a support line of $40, but Nio falling all the way down to $30 would not be extremely shocking if we saw a major sell-off after Nio Day, which is possible but highly unlikely to happen to such a degree. Nio Day is most likely going to be a positive catalyst for the stock, because even if there is a giant sell-off after the event of Nio Day, the stock would most likely just bounce back and would only be considered a short-term pitfall, not a long-term quagmire. Another reason why the $40 support line is special is because it is equal to the 50-day moving average, and if anything broke below this support, it would surely start a bearish sentiment, but I believe it would not last for long, and that the stock would eventually continue to increase in value over time because of the increasing rate that Nio is delivering their vehicles at. As of right now, it looks like Nio could continue to trade horizontally until Nio Day, but if you really want to make some profits in the meantime, you could consider options trading. However, if you do not know what options trading is, or you do not know how to options trade, please do not attempt this right now. The reason for options trading in this instance is because of time decay taking place before Nio Day, so you could consider covered calls or short puts. The author here seems to advocate for selling the February $30 puts for $1.10. However, I personally do not options trade because I would rather use my money in long-term investments rather than short-term contracts. Again, if you do not know what options trading is, I would highly recommend that you go educate yourself first before you would even peer in or even attempt to do it with Nio stock. But the author goes on, and I quote, "If Nio is above $30 at expiration, then the put will expire and you'll pocket the $110 per contract received at trade entry. On the other hand, if the stock sinks below $30, then you'll be obligated to buy 100 shares at an effective purchase price of $28.90. Basically, you will make $110 per contract, or you're going to get an extremely good price on Nio stock. Anyway, that's all I have for you all today. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next YT video.